In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find new trending Sam's Club. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the Sam's Club website to discover the latest arrivals, explore what's getting attention right now, and add something you like to your cart with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to the Sam's Club website. If you're prompted to choose your home club or sign in, that's simply to personalize availability and pricing for your area. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top navigation. You'll see the main menu running across the page. On desktop, it's right at the top. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon or swipe through the category bar to see everything. In that top menu, find the option labeled New and Trending and click it. This is the dedicated hub where Sam's Club highlights new launches and items that are getting a lot of attention. Think of it as a shortcut to the freshest products without having to search category by category. On the New and Trending page, look for the section titled What's New, What's Now, and click it. This collection is curated to showcase new arrivals and timely picks, so it's a great place to start when you want to see what's just landed or what members are buzzing about. From here, browse the page to explore different categories and spotlights. Scroll to see more, and when available, use filters to narrow down by department, price, or brand. Sorting by newest can be especially helpful if your goal is to see what's recently added. Keep an eye out for labels like new or limited time, and open product pages in a new tab if you want to compare a few items side by side. When you come across a block or carousel with a view button, click view to open the full collection of items behind that preview. This expands beyond the handful of tiles you first see and lets you scan a larger set of new products in one go. Once something catches your eye, click into its product page. Take a moment to review photos, specifications, and member reviews. Check whether the item is available for shipping, pickup, or delivery to your selected club, and choose any required options like size or color. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. If the site asks you to confirm your club location or fulfillment method, make that selection so the item can be added properly. That's it. You can continue browsing new and trending collections, repeat the process for anything else you like, or head to checkout when you're done. Enjoy discovering what's new at Sam's Club.